In Washington, another deadline is fast approaching. The Export-Import Bank's charter expires at midnight tomorrow. The 81-year-old agency helps big companies like Boeing sell their products abroad, but it's also a financial lifeline for a number of small businesses. Kate Rogers reports.
We make chocolate cakes.
Susan Axelrod's business may be small in size, but her reach is global.
All over the Middle East, which is Qatar, the United Arab Emirates. We have customers in Japan, Mexico, Canada.
This thanks in large part to the Export-Import Bank of the United States, which makes and guarantees loans and provides insurance to small and big businesses exporting overseas. The bank is a lifeline for businesses like Axelrod's Love and Quiches Gourmet on Long Island, which exports about 30% of its quiches and cakes. Ex-Im provides insurance for Axelrod's exports, something U.S. insurance companies wouldn't consider due to high risk.
In emerging countries, which are very many of our targets, they're just not interested in doing business.
On Tuesday, the 81-year-old bank's charter expires, and a reauthorization vote has yet to be scheduled. Last year, the Ex-Im Bank did about $20 billion in financing, about a quarter of that going to small businesses, which make up 90% of its deals. The funding supported $27 billion in exports and 164,000 American jobs. But critics, including Representative Jeb Hensarling, say the bank needs to go because 3/4 of the money spent goes to a small number of very large companies like Boeing and GE.
And at the end of the day, Ex-Im is about taking credit risk off of Fortune 50 balance sheets and putting it on the balance sheets of the poor, beleaguered American taxpayer.
Right now, no vote is set on the bank's fate, although there is buzz that the Senate may take up the issue in July. Until Congress acts, the bank won't be able to make any new loans.
Love and Quiches is an established business, so Axelrod is confident that they can sustain even if the bank is not reauthorized. But the bigger concern here is for other small businesses that might lose out on the opportunity to become exporters.
Thousands and thousands of companies that don't have the wherewithal that we do and won't have access or won't be able to afford the more costly insurance.
And without the bank, the risk on Main Street could grow. For Nightly Business Report in Freeport, New York, I'm Kate Rogers.